Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing the Powermadd handguard install. Basically, I had grabbed some Acerbis handguards, and what had happened was I didn't read the box when I was in my local motorsport store, and they do not fit my quad. They're strictly made for specific dirt bike applications. So went ahead, spent the extra bucks, got the Powermadd SENTINEL handguards. It does have the removable little vent there as well. They match the bike perfect, and I actually went ahead and grabbed, so I got all the hardware. This is the Powermadd SENTINEL. We'll do a little install for you, and we'll do a little install on the e-brake is going to be in the way, so we got a little adapter that basically makes it so you can still keep the e-brake. We'll have to delete it because personally I want to keep it. I've had to use it quite a bit, so I don't have to shut the bike off. I come to a complete stop and I need to do something when I'm on the trails, whatever it is. So yeah, so Powermadd made this accessory basically to allow you to keep the parking brakes out. All right guys, so yeah, very straightforward install. A lot of people be like, why are you gonna post something so easy when you've done, videos that are much more complex? This is one that they don't tell you what to do really, so you kind of got to know. In making this video, I hope I help a bunch of you. If this helps you, please smash that thumbs up button for me. But basically, what we're looking at is the 4 bushings. There's 2 larger ones, 2 small ones. You're going to put them in just like on the throttle side, same as the clutch side. You're going to tighten that down. The big difference here is that we went underneath with the bracket versus on the clutch side, you go over the top. So that bracket is going to go underneath, and it's going to allow you to avoid having to push this unit down. You can see that little metal piece sticking out of the handlebar. You cannot push it further down. So if you go underneath, everything lines up absolutely perfect. You're able to put that handguard on. As you can see on this side, we have the bracket going over the top. This side, it's going underneath. So again, very straightforward, but it's one of those things that if you know, it's going to make this install 5 minutes. You can see my e-brake goes right over the top, no problem. That's the adapter that is allowing this, which I bought for 10 bucks or whatever. It was from Powermadd as well. Again, very easy to use, but I needed to keep that e-brake for where I ride, especially if I got to turn around or whatever the case. So I have that installed. It's going to change the angle in which that e-brake lever goes over the guard. So again, thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel, and I'm glad this video will be able to help a bunch of you out, because it did take me a little bit to figure out why I couldn't get the throttle side handguard on. It's because you have to go underneath with it to avoid all the other issues that definitely will arise if you try to go over the top. You just won't be able to line it up. So again, Powermadd, great handguards. You do have to spend a little bit more than you would on some of the other brands. I didn't get the additional mounts that go right into the side of the grips, but you can get those if you'd like. And this is how the final product looks.